Do you believe that with just ginger and aloe vera, your skin can become smoother, younger, and more radiant every day? Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Today, I will share with you a completely natural skincare recipe, but the effectiveness will surprise many people. Just a few minutes a day, you will feel the difference in your skin. And now, let's start the skincare journey with the most familiar ingredients in the kitchen. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Our first ingredient is fresh ginger. Let's start by washing and peeling the ginger to prepare for this natural skincare recipe. Ginger contains many powerful antioxidants which help reduce wrinkles, firm the skin, and stimulate blood circulation. Thanks to that, more collagen is produced, the skin is rejuvenated from the inside and becomes smoother every day. After peeling, grate the ginger. Grating helps the nutrients in the ginger to be easily released. Next, we will squeeze the ginger juice and filter it through a sieve. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. You separate the juice and the ginger pulp into 2 different jars to prepare for the next steps. Next, we use a large, juicy aloe vera branch. Prepare a clean glass cup. Pour in water and soak the aloe vera leaves for about 15 minutes. This step helps reduce the yellow slime and natural pungent smell. Then, rinse under running water to completely remove the resin that can cause itching. Aloe vera is a perfect moisturizer for dry and dehydrated skin. It also reduces shine in oily and combination skin and is anti-inflammatory. Write in the comments which country and city you watched my video from. Cut off the sharp thorns on both sides of the leaf. This makes handling aloe vera safer. Once cut, I put the leaf on the cutting board, the belly of the leaf facing up. Using a knife, very gently separate the green skin from the white flesh inside. After separating one side, I use a spoon to scrape out the transparent gel, which is the precious essence of aloe vera. Next, put this gel into a blender to puree. With this method, you will get pure, fresh aloe vera gel, which can be used as a skincare mask, hair care gel, or mixed with a drink to cool down and detoxify very well. Aloe vera moisturizes the skin, prevents dehydration, and maintains moisture balance for the skin. Aloe vera helps fight inflammatory factors and improve cell immunity. Put the blended gel into a clean glass jar. Add 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E. Mix well to blend the nutrients. This mixture can be applied to the skin every morning and evening to moisturize, soothe, and restore the skin. Cover tightly and store in the refrigerator for 1 month. At the same time, the pure aloe vera gel should also be stored in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. Write in the comments which country you watch my videos from. I would love to know where my viewers live. Aloe vera can be used as a skin moisturizer. Apply it every night to your face, hands, neck, and chest. Don't throw away the aloe vera skin yet. Cut it into small pieces and put it in the glass jar containing the ginger pulp that we kept earlier. Add 200 milliliters olive oil. Mix well and place the mixture in a pot of water with a towel at the bottom. Cook over low heat for 20 to 25 minutes. The heat helps the nutrients from the ginger and aloe vera peel dissolve into the oil. When the mixture cools, stir it again and strain it through a sieve to get the clear oil, which is the essential oil for hair and scalp. Apply this essential oil to your hair and scalp. Massage gently for 20 minutes and then wash it off. Cover and store in a cool, dark place for 6 months. Let's go back to the ginger juice. Pour half of the ginger juice into a cup. Add 200 to 300 milliliters of water. Add 5 to 6 drops of vitamin E. Then mix well to create an extremely effective skin and body care mixture. We transfer one part to a convenient bottle for storage. You can use this mixture to gently massage your hands, face, neck, etc. Can be used every day, at night before going to bed for best results. The remaining water is boiled with 1 spoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Stir well and simmer for about 5 minutes until the mixture is smooth. Let it cool completely. While waiting for it to cool, continue adding 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Add 4 to 5 drops of vitamin E. Stir well and put in a storage bottle. Apply to cleansed skin. Massage gently and use 2 to 3 times a week. Dear friends, please write in the comments how old you are. Store in the refrigerator for 1 month. Our mixture has cooled. I add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Our mixture has cooled. I add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Apply evenly to the skin. Keep on the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. then rinse with warm water. Transfer to a convenient bottle for storage. Cover the jar tightly. Store in the refrigerator for 1 month. Use aloe vera gel to moisturize the skin. Stay young and beautiful. If you like this recipe, please leave a heart in the comments and like to motivate me to share more great tips. Thank you, dear friends. Try one of these tips today, and if you have a better way, don't forget to share it with me. And remember to like, follow, and subscribe. Your support is the motivation for me to continue sharing more great tips in the kitchen. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.